And what I tell technicians is when you look at value, the technical term is relative perceived value, RPV. And that R is relative. And what that means is that value is relative to the situation.
Yeah.
So if I ask you right now, what's a pair of shoes worth? We'd all give a different number, right? If you said to me right now, well, I got this bottle of water and I'll sell it to you for $100. I probably wouldn't buy it. Why? Because I got 2 bottles over there if I want it. I got a refrigerator full of them and I really don't need your water for $100. But let's suppose it's next summer and I'm stranded in the desert and I've been there for a week and I'm dying and I'm crawling out of the desert on hands and knees and you come driving by in your Maserati and you say, I still got this bottle for $100. I might give you $100, right? My desire, the value of that water is relative to my situation. Right. So when you're in talking about air conditioning or indoor air quality or whatever is to a homeowner, their situation may have changed since last year, right? Last year, they may have been okay getting by with a barely performing air conditioner. This year, maybe the guy got married. Maybe his wife's pregnant. She's not going through the hot summer. So you can't assume that people are static. That's one thing I tell people. You got to understand people's situation changes.